Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the kit content so nothing interrupts the flow. Once done, set 2 focused 20-30-minute blocks to build momentum. This prevents overwhelm. Open the purple journal to the first page and write today's date, then list 3 short goals. This anchors intent. Use the pen provided and apply an adhesive tab to mark your start. The why. Quick structure creates habit and reduces decision fatigue, making continuation far easier. You now develop the middle routine that carries the habit forward. Start with daily 10-minute micro sessions. Short, consistent practice beats sporadic marathon writing. Once you have the habit, use headings like mood, wins, and next steps to keep entries actionable and scannable. Number key pages and add index tabs so you can find insights quickly. This makes the journal useful for reflection. Make sure to capture one concrete next action each entry. You finish sessions by reviewing and planning. Once done, set aside 15-20 minutes weekly to summarize 3 takeaways and schedule follow-ups. Transfer loose notes into the journal, clip receipts or inserts into the back pocket, and store spare pens and tabs for continuity. If you run into trouble, blank page, or skip days, use a 5-minute prompt list: gratitude, 1 win, next step, to restart without pressure. The why. Regular review locks learning and keeps the purple journal a living tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.